I'm the creative director and editor of Flawless Magazine. Now, in this episode with Len with Flawless, we are going to be diving into the world of fashion photography. That's correct, fashion photography. For those of you who are fashion photographers or aspiring photographers, or you previously dabbled with fashion photography, this is going to be a great way for you to learn more. Whether you know what, no matter the level of skills you are, whether you're advanced, whether you've shot for multiple magazines, or whether you would like to be on a magazine cover, whether you want to work with your favorite fashion runway models, whether you want to work with your favorite fashion designers, or whether you have your own brand and you want to learn how to do photography as opposed to hire a photographer, or whether you want to get hired as a local photographer or work with different clients. This is the right place for you. Now, I'm going to dive in and I'm going to touch on a few subjects that are going to be very useful and impactful for your business. Whether you're a professional or a hobbyist or a business person, this is the right place for you to be. Now, this is aimed at anyone who wants to get into photography, or in general, you love photography and you're passionate about it. Whether you have a creative business or not, you find a lot of useful stuff here. Now, for this chapter, we're going to be going chapter by chapter and by sub-chapters. For this particular topic, you're going to learn about the skills needed, the artistic side, and the technical workflow, and how to find your own creative style. You don't need anything much. All you just need is just you have a reliable internet, you have a laptop, a little camera, you have your own camera, and whatever niche of photography you're in, and all you just need to do is have a passion for photography, and obviously be willing to do the work. That's the last thing. Now, when we talk about photography or fashion photography, from my experience, we always look at these esoteric, beautiful creative images, and maybe you want to achieve something like that. You want to be known as a renowned fashion photographer, a household name, especially now in the age where camera phone and smartphone have really democratized photography, and anyone can pick up a camera and be a photographer. And if you're wondering how this is going to help you in any shape or form, well, Flawless Magazine we've developed in response to the industry demand, and specially designed for budding artists like yourself, and that are new. Maybe if you're a hobby, a professional, it doesn't matter what level you're at, as long as you're ready to work. Now, each participant will be trained and assessed in theory and practical, in real world exercise. So along the line, you will get some real world and theory as we go along. Now, obviously knowing the right tools and having yourself the right knowledge, investing time and into your own personal self-development, make sure that you stand out beyond average and you stand out above the crowd. Photographer can earn a decent living, but we all know any creative work, people tend not to believe or value the creative work, the creative side of work. Therefore, this will give you the knowledge and give you the package for you to hammer yourself and to sell yourself to potential people or clients you want to work with. Now, by choosing to invest not only in this course and this ebook that we've prepared, so if any of the stuff that we mentioned previously sound like this is the right tools you needed, we've created a compact ebook and / course for you to go through step by step, which I will leave in the link below if you want to go ahead of everyone else and you want to get the rest. We've got outreach script, we got templates, we've got contract templates for your designer, models, agencies. We've got a lot of stuff that you just need to plug and play. We've got checklist templates that you need to do for each photo shoot you're doing. Now, if this sounds like something that you'll be interested in, or something that would help you a lot, please leave a comment below.